As a recently sent-off digital currency based on Ethereum blockchain, long money is otherwise called long for total of yield cultivating. Formally sent off on July 17, 2020, by Andre Cronje, long money is one of the most valuable decentralized finance coins. It is likewise known to be a stage that expands income procured through computerized resources by yield cultivating. Examine this view before we start with definite cost forecast. More well known as the token long money has a developing fan following with a target to boost yearly rate yields and is likewise famous as APY for its esteemed clients. Known for holding the acknowledgement for an esteemed decentralized project, long money tokens are used by clients as YUST, and AI while executing different exchanges like keeping reserves, and so on. With the assistance of tokens, clients can procure loaning expenses as well as exchanging charges. Under the umbrella of long, a huge number of stablecoins gets support viz. DAI, USDC, USDT, TUST, and SUST, and they are additionally moved among various upheld DeFi conventions like Compound, AVE, DEX, and BEND, based on which resource pool is offering the best return. Thus, we can incorporate different exercises of long money with the most unmistakable ones being one of a benefit-changing bank to expand loaning yields, going about as a facilitator for stablecoin exchanges, no capital mechanized vendor for AVE, and that of making vaults for getting and loaning needs connected with shrewd agreements. The vital classifications to pick above classifications are portioned under Procure, ZAP, APR, and Vaults. It very well may be underlined that long money as a stage goes about as an impetus to advance stablecoins by means of loaning and getting through bend money and simultaneously streamlining pool liquidity with computerized resources. Worth focusing on is that the above whole ecospace of DeFi by long is overseen proficiently and actually. The DeFi token assumes a vital part here. As of now, this computerized coin cost is around $21,565.58 with a market cap of $790,708,582.40. The 24-hour exchanging volume remains at $127,896,725.40 with a circling supply of 36,638 Fi. Despite the fact that set in a profoundly unpredictable universe of crypto resources, good factors like tight security conventions and a high-level calculation assume a truly essential part in impacting ventures as well as long money cost forecast. The essential goal of the DeFi group has been to guarantee straightforwardness and simultaneously protection. This large number of elements comprise venture counsel by top dealers as well as specialists. The ongoing cost of long money rises to $21,555.80. In light of our expectations, a drawn-out increment is normal. The cost estimate for 2026 is $225,342. With a 5-year venture, the all-out worth of income is supposed to be around plus 621.18%. According to our yearn.finance cost expectation, there is potential for DeFi cost and show it might go on a higher opinion in the digital currency market. The coin cost could cross $32,320.13 toward the finish of 2022, making it a productive speculation. The anticipated yearn.finance cost toward the finish of 2022 is $28,666, and the YTD value changes may be around plus 33%. In the main portion of 2023, the long money cost will move to $29,416. In the last part, the cost would close the year at $25,984. Regardless of its reception in the digital currency market, long money cost will more often than not face heat till January 2022. Going by cost forecasts that bulls might be back, DeFi's exchanging cost could ascend somewhat higher. Say by 2024 $45,321.90, best case scenario. Also, subsequently, merchants sought to use sound judgment prior to exchanging or effective money management. All said and done, the DeFi pattern has been very forceful, prompting an exceptionally hopeful way. The coin might fill quickly, particularly for collusions. New organizations would carry DeFi to the spotlight, making it the middle stage for speculations and a socially regarded digital money. In the realm of digital forms of money like DeFi, there could be gauges of wonders, there could be wizardry in the present moment as well. In view of information refreshes, it wouldn't be an embellishment that this evaluated cryptographic money could break every one of the hindrances and endure everyday hardship, its scaling above past all-time high. With a touch of tolerance and keeping the expectations high and the drawn-out costs, financial backers can expect a completion time toward the finish of 2025, as the reception of DeFi would develop dramatically, by when it would not anymore a credulous participant in the realm of cryptographic forms of money, yet a carefully prepared player. The usefulness of a digital money characterizes its costs and not its legendary beginning. We should investigate the digital currency cost forecasts by which merchants can settle on a legitimate choice to purchase long money. DeFi Value Expectation 2022. Taking into account there are no unexpected shocks or a stony way forward for digital money markets, DeFi is good to go to confirm areas of strength for it as a significant fascination among its financial backer local area. The street ahead is brimming with pedals gave the financial backer certainty continues blasting, bringing about a significant push to the cost, taking it to cross all boundaries, scaling $28,910.64. DeFi Value Expectation 2023. DeFi has laid out a quick solid organization and worked with the client experience of the item. These highlights can assist the DeFi with instituting gain a lot greater cost of $34,766.18 per coin. If the drive for utilitarian crypto go on into 2023, the cost might try and see a worldview rush. DeFi Value Forecast 2024. There are many expectations going ahead for the DeFi token. Particularly keeping in context the mechanical declarations and progress the environment has plans on, there are suppositions that its market cost might reach $35,368.05. The astonishing special endeavors might wrap up, making the financial backers collect the increases. Albeit the digital currency markets are totally erratic, it would maybe take a supernatural occurrence for DeFi to expand its cost by that much in such a short measure of time. DeFi Value Expectation 2025. DeFi is additionally dynamic in local area drives. Taking into account they keep up force gathering a critical market cap, their drives with an emphasis on schooling, effort, and developments might take them to a calculable degree of $45,829.36. A stunning idealism is likewise anticipated for DeFi basically because of its steady presence.